Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make my latest original bracelet, the Omega Scale. It's a nice little small bracelet. It only requires one bar pin and one C-clip, and it's pretty easy. It kind of looks cool if you've got one color for the center band and then you change it. In this color scheme, the center band was clear, and in this one it's orange, this one is black. I personally like the black because it makes it bold and stuff, but the clear is pretty cool too. So this is my latest original design, the Omega Scale bracelet. To make this bracelet, you are only going to need one bar pin, and you can secure that at the ends with some small bases if you like, or you can just use the bar pin. We're going to be using 4 pins to make this bracelet, so just go ahead and pick those out. And now, the first band you use should be the color that you want to be on the inside of your bracelet, the inside stripe things. So I'm going to use black on the inside, so make that a cap band, and place it in an X across your center 2 pins. Now take your next color. I'm going to use rainbow on the outside, and you're just going to take cap band and place it across these 2 pegs with no X, and then across these 2 pegs. Now you're going to make sure your loom is facing the right way. You're going to want to have your bar pin facing to the right, so you can just go in here and pull that up and over, and pull that over. Now this next band is going to be on these 2 pegs, but this is going to be an Omega cap band. So you're going to place the cap band on one peg, then grab the bottom half of that, and then you can pull this up and around to create the Omega part of that. And now, just like any other bracelet, you're going to pull this up and over, and this up and over, and now you're going to place your outside bands again, and these are always going to be normal cap bands, not Omega or anything. So cap them and place them across those 4 pegs like so, and now you're going to bring up all the bands on all the pins. So for that Omega cap band, just pull both ends of it on up. And you're going to switch doing the Omega cap band layers and the outer layers, just like a dragon scale bracelet. So pull out the bottom half of that cap band, pull that around. And for this bracelet, you are only going to bring up the bands on the pegs that you just put something on. They've got to have something above them, or else your bracelet would fall apart, and that would not be good. So outer layer, just bring everything up. And your middle color. And it's going to be an Omega cap band for the rest of the time that you make this bracelet. And then your outer bands go on these two pins and these two pins. Let's see, I'll show you this Omega cap band one more time. You just cap a band, place it on this peg here, and then you're going to grab the bottom band, pull it over this peg, and then take this end, pull it around like that, and then bring up the bottom. So you can already kind of start to see the bracelet growing out here. Just continue to do this until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it. Alright, once your bracelet is at the desired length, the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you just put on the layer of bands that were the outer two pins. So you just put on not the Omega cap band, but the two cap bands on the outsides, so you can do your next step. So take your hook, and you're going to take the bands on this peg and move them over to this peg, and do the same thing with this peg. Move them over to the center. Now you're going to want to take the next color in your sequence of outer bands. I'm using rainbow, so I will grab a green, and you're going to make a normal cap band and just place it across these two pegs. It's not an Omega cap band or anything weird like that, just normal cap band across those two pegs. And now take all four of these bands, bring them up and over that, and do the same thing over here, like so. You can pull on that a little bit, straighten it up. And now you're going to take one of the sides and move it over to the other side. Now grab a C-clip and get those four ends of the band onto your C-clip. And then you can pull on that some more, straighten it out and everything, and bring it around to the other side, and you can see four ends of this black band on here. You're going to grab two of those and then grab the other two, and you're going to get those four ends onto your C-clip. And then you've got your completed bracelet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to Epic Bracelets, like this video, tell all your friends, and stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Thank you for watching.